Hey everyone, it's Jake Fair here with WarpFX, quickly showing you how to use a variety of assets from WarpFX. Let's quickly get into it here. So basically, for the Super Sharpen preset from the Transit Pack, you just drag it onto your clip, and you might want to adjust some of these as you see fit. Turn them on and off, see what you need, what you don't. Even go in and adjust these manually, just so you can get a better feel for exactly how sharp you want it to be. Additionally, some of the presets from the Ultra Pack, such as Twitch, or from the Sauce Pack, Chaos Flash, might require you to create duplicate layers, so follow along. You're going to want to do 10 frames on each side with a nest, as we always do. The only reason I say that over and over again is because I'm really just trying to drive home the point of we need to nest in order to place these presets on, because I get a lot of inquiries asking how do I do it, they won't work, and usually the problem is they're not nesting. So if you go to Chaos Flash here, you'll see it says cut, nest, drag and apply effect, and then press the Alt key and drag up to duplicate the layer and engage the opacity keyframes. So these presets basically just have opacity on them, and you're going to want to drag it like this, out, out, in. Another way you could have done that is you can just go out, in, press the Alt key and drag up. The reason that we do this is because these presets have opacity keyframes, and opacity keyframes won't be doing anything if there's not two layers for it to interact with. For larger frame, basically all you have to do is go to larger frame, drag it on, go to motion, and then you can set these keyframes all the way back to 50. And what I like to use this for is, for example, before we put this on, if I wanted to do a shot that was rotating in on him, like this, how would I do that? It doesn't really make much sense. Can't go anywhere with that. That doesn't look good. So, what we do is we take larger frame, apply it, go 50, set our keyframes, and then reset them over here. Now that's a lot smoother. I'm gonna do it like this. Boom. Can even rotate it all the way to there. So basically what it is it's just a mirror effect that's duplicating all around the edges so that you can zoom out a little bit more. Obviously there's going to be a duplication effect going on, but that's what this is all about.
FX baby.
So you're going to want to take this, set it up how we always do for WarpFX presets, nest these, go to the effects, let's go to the Atlas pack. So for the ones that have these, you're going to want to do it like this. Take this, press the Alt key, drag up, bottom out goes, you don't want both those selected, bottom out goes there, bottom in goes there, top in here, top out here. Basically the reason we do that is because the top presets are different than the bottom ones and they interact with each other. I can't really explain in depth why, but it just has to happen this way. So if you look, top out is for the out section on top, top in is for the in section on top, bottom out is for the out section on the bottom, and bottom in is for the in section on the bottom. I know it's a lot of top, bottom, in, out, but trust me, if you hover over them, you can read it, follow along. I'll do it one more time just so you can see. I'll do it one more time so you can see here. Set it up how we always do. 10 frames on each side. Nest them. Drag them up. You don't even have to use the Alt key. You can just copy, make sure it's selected, go to the beginning. Honestly, it's easier though to press the Alt key on your keyboard and drag it up. bottom in, bottom out, top in, top out. And that's all you got to do. This applies to the Foursquare, Light Flick, and Sparta. This would be how you would use the VHS preset. So basically, boom, boom, nest the clip, because that's what we always do, and apply. That's it. Really, that's honestly it. If you want to adjust any of the keyframes, you can go in and do so, but that's all. It's just an effect that'll go on any size clip. And that's it, guys. If you'd like to see more about the assets used in this video, please visit WarpFX.ca.